Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create an admission form in MS Word. So basically the admission form consists of blocks in which you have to write the name, address or everything. So now for creating that kind of admission form we have to use the shapes. Just first remove this, then we will give the heading or we will see the first the page layout, then narrow margins, orientation we need a portrait, size we will check as a A4 and then we will start doing it. First in the top we will write the name of our institution or school or colleges or whichever. Next we will write here in the center only we will do like this. In the below you have to write the address of your company, then contact number and email email id like this. So what we will do, we will keep all of them in the center. We will select them like this. We will keep them in the center. This one also in the center like this. Now one more thing we will do, we will reduce the line spacing between them because we don't want that much. We will change the color of it. We will reduce the size because it's little bit in the smaller. Then we will increase the size of this like this because it is the main point. Next thing is we want to insert a photograph. So we want to give a space where you can insert a photograph or you can put paste a photograph. Just draw it like this. Now from here on the right hand side you can adjust the height and the width according to your requirement. And here one more thing you have to do, you have to remove the fill shape, that is you have to keep it blank. Next thing is we want to insert some text inside that box. Just click on the insert, click on the text box, draw a text box right over here, paste your photo like we are giving an instruction over here. So we will reduce the size of that. Just select it, go inside a home, reduce the size, and you can also change the color or anything. Now in format you have to do, you have to remove the outline. We don't want outline. Just click on no outline and that's it. So this much part is done. Next one is here I have to write this is my admission form. So I will select that portion. I will keep in the center. I will highlight the background of my text. Just select it and make it red or whichever color you want, or increase the size like this. And if you want to bold it, you can bold it or increase the size. This much part is done. Next one is I want to insert the name of student like this, and I want to reduce the size, reduce it to the whichever number, or if you want to start from little bit like this you can do. Next thing I want to put like this, and now I will insert a blocks over it. Select a square one like this, and then we will make it blank. Okay, and then we will copy it by Control plus C and Control plus V multiple times, and we will put just besides each other. in this way. Now this much is done. I want more blocks. Then I will select all by using control key and my mouse key. Then I will copy it and again I will paste it and I will drag it and put it over here like this. Now you can see that is little bit in the down position. You can move it. That thing you have to adjust when you are going to do it, because you are using a block pattern. Otherwise, if you put a single line, that is also applicable. For that you have to just click on the insert, click on the shapes, click on the lines, and you can just drag the line like this for writing a name. But usually the form consists of blocks, that's why we are taking the blocks. If you want, you can put a single line over there and use it. Now this much is done, but this portion is not useful to write a longer name, so I will copy it again just by selecting the control and control V, and I will drag it and I will drop it over here. That's it. Now one more thing I will do, again I will press the control and I will select all of them like this, so that what will happen, I can make a group of them. Wherever I need multiple, I can use them like this. I will select all of them and I will go inside a format, click on the group and make them group. Now you can see I can use this anytime. Next one is my father's father name. Here what I have to do is I have to just copy it, control C and control V, and I can use it directly over here, this much portion. Next one is my mother's name. Mother's name like this. And again you can copy this, the blocks just like this. Why we are going to use this directly? Because we have made a grouping. If you are not doing that thing, you have to every time use the control and select each and every block. Okay, next thing I want to put is date of birth. So I will click over here and you can write date of birth. I am going to write BOB. Now what I want the two blocks. Then what I will do, I don't have that two blocks, so I will go inside a shape, click on the square and I will draw the blocks and I will copy it like this. So two blocks for the day, two blocks for the month, and again I will copy and paste it. And the four blocks I want for my year. To put it here, I have to put it here. You can also make it blank first and then put it on the place, or you can also do it afterwards. Now I will select all of them like this and I will click on the shape outline and make them blank. So now here I want to type, that is my D, it is my M, and here it is my Y, Y, Y. Now if you want to put more space, you can put more space in them just like this. I want here Y, second Y should be here, third Y should be here, and the fourth Y should be here. And one mm should be like this. Little bit more space between them, and D also there. And after first D I want to put. So that is your DOB. Next one is your nationality. Nationality like this. And here also you can use the multiple blocks like this. Just copy them and paste. If you want to increase and paste again. Like this. So if you want to make it faster, always try to make a group so that you can move them faster way. That is for your nationality. Next one is your religion. Religion. Next thing is click over there and just copy it, Control plus C and Control plus V, and drag them and put it here. Next one is the category. Like this, and here I want single. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, like this. First one is my open category. I will drag them and keep it aside like this. First one is my open category, so I will write here open. Second one is my SC category. Third one is my ST category. Fourth one, you can add as per your requirement. OBC category, and the fourth one is the other. So this one is for the category. Next one is for the permanent address. So click over here, permanent address. If you are making some mistake, then it is going to give you an option, so you don't worry about the spellings. Now permanent address, I have to give some more space, Control C, Control V, and I will put over here, and again Control C, Control V, and I will give the two lines over here. You can give one more line if you wish, like this. Next thing, I want corresponding address like this. Now this you can do in the same way which you have done. I will select this, copy, paste, and I will drag it and I will put it like this. So in this way you can do the permanent address. And the next one is your contact number, like this. Now here you have to give some 11 blocks. So if you wish, you can select these block, or you can use this block like just selecting each of them by using the cursor. You have to be careful while selecting it. If you click outside the portion, it will not selected. Now this much is done. Now we have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now that means we have to use two more 8, 9 and 10. And if you want, you can use one more block extra. Next one is the email address. Now if you click over here and type here email address like this. Now one more thing you can do, you can group them and make them use, or directly you can use any of them, or you can use directly this, because there is no limitation for the email address size limitation, so you can use the upper one also. Next one is the remark. Just write it. Now here we cannot give a block, so we will give the line, so that anybody wants to write some remark, he can write. Just select it, put it here, just copy paste like this. Control C, Control V multiple times you are going to use in during this creation of application card. Now we have to select all the lines and we have to make it black, because we are using the black ones. So like this. The last portion is the receiver's signature. Receiver signature. That will be your call, what you want to write in the below. I'm going to write receiver signature, student signature, and last one is the parents signature. Now this receiver I have to, and I will little bit enter, and now again I want some line where the person is going to do the signature. First I will draw and I will change the like this, and then copy paste, and then I'm going to use it for this student signature and for the parent signature. So in this way you can create your own customized admission form. You can also add the logo over here if you want. If you have the logo, just click on the insert, click on the picture, click on the logo where you have saved or where you have created. If you want to know more about the logo, you can also use the logo. Now if you are selecting the logo, you have to keep it in front of text. Now where it is, now this much is very much bigger. Now I will make it smaller and I will keep it here. So if you want to know how to create a logo, there is a separate video available on our channel. You can watch that video also. Thank you.